What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the S Pen press and hold button to navigate to home screen, back or recents in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on S Pen and then click on air actions. Now in air actions, click on press and hold S Pen button. Now if you want to set the S Pen press and hold button to navigate to home screen, then select home, and after selecting home, when you will press and hold the S Pen button, it will go back to the home screen. So you can see when I press and hold this S Pen button, it will take me to the home screen. So now if you want to set the S Pen press and hold button to go back, then select back, and if you want to set it to go to the recents, then select recents. So that's how you can set the S Pen press and hold button to navigate to home screen, back or recents in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.